Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to try this. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make zalabia infused with all these gorgeous scents of the Middle East. Active dry yeast, warm water. Yeast loves sugar. A pinch of sugar, set it aside until it's foamy and it looks alive. And lo and behold, foamy animal. We've got flour here. I'm gonna add a pinch of salt to the flour, my yeast mixture, warm water, 1 egg. And in it goes. Using the simplest of equipment, a fork, I'm just gonna mix it together. Get rid of the lumps. So that's it. We are absolutely done. How easy was that? And set it aside to rise. I'm gonna drink some coffee while my yeast proves. The next thing we need to do for the zalabia is make a sugar syrup. This is the best part. This is when we're gonna fry the zalabia. I'm gonna take a spoonful or 2 spoonfuls and then drop them into the oil. Yay! Zalabia is cooking, and as you can tell, it didn't take all that much effort. And you want this like really strange looking bit of donut to be happening. So I'm using tongs, but you could use anything. I know there are people who use chopsticks to do this. I'm not a great talent at chopsticks. Once they've turned golden on one side, we're gonna flip them over, but I'm a little desperate to try them, all that waiting. All right, so the zalabia has cooked. It's nice and golden, but it is oily. Delicious, but oily. So there are people who will dip these as soon as they come out in icing sugar. I like the syrup because it seeps into those little volcano-y bits, like the surface of the moon, but they're gonna trap the sugar syrup in them. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to try this. Here's the sugar syrup we made earlier. Let's dip this gorgeous zalabia in. I may have to dip this one yet again. My ancestors had a great time with these on Hanukkah. I don't know that I would reserve them just for Hanukkah though. These are Sephardi. No, there's nothing healthy about this.